Are you looking for a passive opportunity where you can make a good return on your crypto? Something 100% transparent and built to last? Before I found this company that answered all of the above, I was going from business to business searching for a better way to support my family. In desperation, I spent thousands of pounds and ended up getting scammed many times. I could never afford to take my family on vacations because money was so tight, but the bills didn't stop coming through the letterbox. There was just too much month at the end of the money. I knew my luck had to change at some point, and when a good friend invited me to a webinar one night, I could feel that this was very different from what I had ever seen before. Fast forward 6 months, and my life couldn't be any further from the past in my wildest dreams. I fly business class to Milan on a regular basis, play golf as many times a week as I please. My bank account has never looked so good. And best of all, I'm now in a position where I can help others who are in the same place as I was. To find out how, go to www.incomestream.com. Bye for now.